What is your LinkedIn 411? In other words, what are you trying to convey to your target audience? What is your information? Usually when someone asks about your 411 or your information, they're referring to what is your professional job? What do you do professionally? LinkedIn has become one of the most current professional platforms that you can put that information on. And this can be used by businesses, recruiters, and investors to let them know exactly what your company is all about and how you can benefit your target audience. The go-to. So have you ever went to a networking event or even just to a business luncheon and someone has given you their card? What is the first place that you go to? Is it Facebook? Is it Instagram? Or is it LinkedIn? So LinkedIn has been able to position themselves to have a platform that is used by thousands of professionals globally to find that person who they need to connect with to help to take them to the next level. So the next time you look at your LinkedIn profile, just think about what is your 411 and what are you telling your target audience. If you need any help, please reach out to Lynn's consulting firm where we can help you to display what your greatest 411 is.